Nvidia is an enigma because Nvidia has done so well. Nvidia has gone up so much that everyone kind of thinks, well, what goes up must come down. But that's not true. Those are the laws of gravity, not the laws of financial physics. So effectively, the dilemma with Nvidia is either I jump in and I capture a piece of the future, or I miss out and watch this stock just go, insanely high, or maybe I buy in at the wrong time and then the thing collapses on me and I realize I've missed the wave. I would tell you stop overthinking it. I will just give you what is referred to as the bull and bear case of Nvidia, and it would go something like this. Let me see here. Here are a few things you want to think about Nvidia. First off, in the bull case, it's a massive market leader. They literally hold 80 to 90% of the market share in AI chips. That's insane. That's insane. They also have a massive amount of AI demand, but that demand may decline. But right now, the demand from healthcare and finance to automotive, et cetera, is nonstop. It's kind of crazy. They have a powerful ecosystem. So they built a really nice moat around their hardware with what they call the CUDA software platform. And so what it does is it makes it easier for developers to build AI applications using NVIDIA's GPUs. So switching costs are very high. And that means that once somebody becomes an NVIDIA customer, they're not going to become a customer of anybody else in many cases. So like, like once you go black, you never go back. Well, it's kind of the same way, once you go NVIDIA, you never go back, right? So, so that's kind of the bull case for NVIDIA. And this is enough for me to say, I think I want to be there. I think I want to be a part of this as it happens. Now, here's the bear case. You always want to know the dark side of everything. Their valuation is really high. Their price earnings ratio, which is a measure of whether a stock is potentially overvalued, is incredibly high. And that means that their very high expectations have already been incorporated into the price. So the whole world knows Nvidia makes money. That's not a secret. The question is, are they going to continue to grow? It's only for the universe to tell you that, right? Nobody knows what the future holds for Nvidia. Number two, competition's coming. You've got AMD and Intel that are really fighting to get their piece of the pie. And as you see, the government is really backing Intel right now, right? So that says something, right? That speaks in my mind. I'm thinking, okay, let me hop in my Schwab account and let me go ahead and back the other horse because I don't know how far. There's no limit to Trump corruption in terms of them supporting their friends. And Intel has become a friend to the Trump administration. Now, what that's going to translate to, I don't know. Intel may be beyond repair, but the idea of Intel picking up a little bit of market share is not out of the question. And in fact, so I like both of these stocks. I wanted to make that clear. I like owning both of them. In fact, a good AI ETF is AIQ, which I don't know if Intel's in there. I think it is. I know Nvidia is in there. So that might be something worth looking at.